Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site Nobeklat.xyz. Such pop-ups are dangerous. They try to make you basically scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you eventually download and install some potentially unwanted software. And if you see these pop-ups by Nobeklat.xyz, don't tolerate them. As I said, their only purpose is to trick you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups, disregard them. I recommend you to leave this deceptive page and also to additionally investigate your system with the help of reliable antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching this system. So Combo Cleaner antivirus will definitely help you to effectively detect and then eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.